How cool is that? File numbers.
Cash register.
Wow, you got everything you asked for.
Cash register. Look at this. It's a cash register money.
Cool.
For dollar cents. For this.
Yeah, for that.
No file numbers are off. You can't get these, okay?
Who?
Mom.
Oh, I won't get them. Those are yours. Santa brought them for you.
Thank you.
Whoa. Here, I'll open it. Boy, I need some of this boy.
I need some of this money. Now it's going to be $7.
Oh wow, the price went up.
Price one.
Price went up. It's more. It costs more money now.
Cost more money. I want it to be 5.
You want it to be 5?
I want 5 right here.
Well, turn it into a 5.
But I wanted to turn it into 7.
Oh, okay.